回去。
Спасибо, моя кися.
Does anyone else have such a dependent cat that they refuse to go to bed on their own? Like, you can see his eyes. Look how sleepy he is. But because I'm up awake right now and I'm busy, I can't go to bed yet. But that's all he wants me to do. And he refuses to put himself into bed until I go upstairs. Look at him trying to lure me. He's like, Dad, let's go. It's bedtime. Please.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me. I said no. Stop being ratchet.
Cat number 1. Cat number 2. Attempt 1 out of 2. Attempt 2 out of 2.
No, Tommy, stop. I'm not trying. Stop tagging me in this.
Keep your paws closed, or you're gonna get off them. Thank you.
Is your food bowl empty? Meow. Meow.
Three things your cat hates. Number 1, don't pet them super aggressively, as this can disrupt the connection between you and your cat and can make them not want your pets. Number 2, don't stare into their eyes for a long time, because this can be taken as intimidating to them. Number 3, stay away from forcing them to lay on their backs. This is a super trusting position that only they should be able to decide to do, or else they may not feel safe around you. Number 4, don't yell at your cat or make really frequent loud noises, because this can scare your cat and make them not feel safe with you at home.
Nathaniel, man, I appreciate all you do for me out here. Gave me a place to stay, man. But this chicken leg playboy's looking too. Oh, but Nathaniel, man, you know, I appreciate you, man. Letting me be your roommate, you know, the little box you set up for me, the meow mix, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate everything you do, man. You're a good individual, man. You know what I'm saying? You taste a little weird, but I love you, man. You know what I'm saying? I love you. Just like I love this drumstick. Hey, but yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Meow 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 meow.
Pretending to hurt my cat while trimming his nails.
Oh no, I cut his finger. Oh no, baby. Oh no. Are you okay? Are you okay? Chase, come on. You're gonna wake up the baby. Come on. Yes, you are. Come on, let's go. Come on. What do you mean no? Chase. Okay.
Would you just lay down, please? Cat. Oh my god. Usually she calls like a little bit and then
This is my human. Mine.
I know.